Welcome to the GKTECH S13 240SX Silvia cooling panel install video. What do you get in the box? Well, a cooling panel, that's what. But just look at how many hot boy points you'll get by installing this. Not to mention improved cooling. It also comes with these side panels that do nothing but make your engine bay prettier and that much more awesome. We make these in other flavors as well, such as the R33 SKYLINE Series 1 and 2, R32 gts-t and R32 GTR, S14 Series 1 and 2, as well as S15. That's a good smattering of Nissan, so pick one or four up. To the install, this is what the engine bay looks like, sans hot boy goodness. Let's fix that. Start by removing the corner light screw, then remove the headlight support bolts. Pop those bolts out and lay down the side panel. Install and tighten the corner light screw, then head to the other side and install the plate and the corner screw as well. Now grab the center section or main panel and slip it under the two side pieces as shown here. Pop the headlight bracket bolts in as well and get your four-handed buddy to tighten the bolts and nuts down at the same time, and that's it. Now when you pop your hood, bystanders will vape at least 15% harder, peeping your freshly paneled engine bay. But for reals, this will divert air to your radiator to cool it better. It's not just for the vapes, my dudes. And this is us. We do stupid things on the internet so you can watch. Go look me out. And if you can't install these, have a pro do it. And get at us with any questions. This is Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, and Zach B is in Bravo. Until next time we drop some knowledge on you. Vape on, my people.